What's up guys? I'm John Prado and welcome to my channel. And for today's content, it's all about the Sustainable Development Goals number 7, which is to ensure the access to affordable. The goal of SDG 7 is to ensure the universal access to affordable, reliable, and modern energy services, wherein the proportion of population with access to electricity and a proportion of population with ay may primary reliance on clean fuels and technology. Pangalawa is to increase substantially the share of renewable energy in the global energy mix, wherein the energy share the total final energy consumption. Next is by 2030, that is to double the global rate of improvement of energy efficiency, wherein the energy intensity measured in terms of primary energy and global domestic products. By 2030, it should enhance the international cooperation to facilitate access to clean energy research and technology, including renewable energy, energy efficiency, and advanced and clean fossil fuel technology, and promote investment in infrastructure and clean energy technology, and international financial flows to developing countries in support of clean energy, research and development, and renewable energy production, including in hybrid system. And by 2030 also is to expand the infrastructure and upgrade technology, supplying modern and sustainable energy services for all in developing countries, in particular least developed countries, small island developing states, and landlocked developing countries in accordance with the respective programs or support. At bakit nga ba mahalaga ang SDG 7? Una, marami pa rin parte ng mundo natin ang may kakulangan when it comes to electricity or sa enerhiya. At ito yung mga lalo na dun sa mga paunlad pa lamang na bansa. At sila ay walang access sa moderno at maasahang serbisyo when it comes to energy. And ang kahirapan sa energy ay nakakapekto nito ang maraming aspeto. Una ay nakakapekto sa buhay, kasama na doon ang edukasyon, pangangalaga sa kalusugan, at yung oportunidad nila when it comes to sa kanilang ekonomiya. Sa pag-unlad ng ekonomiya, of course, pag kulang tayo ng enerhiya o walang access ng energy is hindi nakakapagkaroon ng maayos na sa industriya dahil kailangan ito ng energy. Pangalawa, sa edukasyon, hindi natutugunan yung pangangailangan ng mga kabataan pagdating sa kuryente, maaring hindi ito matugunan sa hindi makasabay sa mga makabagong teknolohiya na kung saan kailangan ng access when it comes to energy at kuryente. So ikaw, bilang mamamayan, paano mo rin masusuportahan ang UN sa pagkaroon ng Sustainable Development Goals number 7? Una ay turn off lights, electronics, and appliances pag hindi natin ito ginagamit. And i-educate natin ang ating mga sarili sa kahalagaan ng energy o ng kuryente. Pangalawa ay gumamit tayo ng public transportations, carpool, bikes, at maglakad instead na mag-rely sa mga private vehicles na kung saan gumagamit ng mga biofuels na delikado sa paligid at delikado sa environment. In short, we should choose energy efficient transportation options. At pangatlo, katulad ng aming ginagawa, let's advocate for policies na mag-encourage development and use of renewable energy. Yun lamang at maraming salamat. Bye-bye!